My name is Austin Carroll, and I am in the process of filming a documentary about a bikepacking trip starting from La Push, Washington, all the way to the Idaho border. I'm doing it with 3 buddies, made possible by the Rails-to-Trails Conservancy. So Rails-to-Trails Conservancy has done a lot of great things over the last 32 years. They have converted a lot of abandoned railways and converted them into paths for biking, walking, and hiking. The really cool thing is that they're actually trying to convert a huge path starting from the East Coast to the West Coast, about 4,000 miles. It's what they're dubbing the Great American Rail Trail. And with this documentary, it's going to help bring some awareness to that. I know I have a young son and I want him to have experiences that I haven't had. So having this trail be something completed by the time he's able to ride across it would mean a lot to me. So what we need your help with is the production side to tell our stories individually and the stories on trail, and then the cost with the production team traveling across the state and with gas and all that stuff that we need to facilitate that. So follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We got a lot of cool companies that we're talking with right now and gonna have some cool content, and definitely hit that donation button to help us out on this project.